Learning CapCut Day 3. First, import your images. Add 2 keyframes, first at start and second at end in all images. Zoom in all images. Add custom graph. Do just like me. Go to Effects and add Bad TV. Do just like me. Add 3 keyframes just like me. Duplicate the effect 3 times. Paste effect between all images. Do just like me. Add in dot image. Do just like me. Add 2 keyframes, first at start and second at end. Do just like me. Go to Effects and add Shake. Do just like me. Go to Effects and add Rebound Swing. Apply to all and export the video. Thanks for watching.